Are you tired of just getting by? Feeling like your savings are always escaping you? Want a surefire way to end up rolling in dough? With the US finally opening its western territories to settlement and incorporation, Americans can't wait to make their living on the new open lands. But they need you to help them out. By making investments in the United States' rapidly expanding industries of the West, you have the power to double, triple, or even quintuple your savings. New to the world of finances and markets? Don't worry, we have the tools for you. Hi, my name is Sato Hegde, and I'll be teaching you how to become a successful investor. Step 1. Always start small. Never put all your eggs in one basket. It's always good to think before making a substantial investment. You never know how things will turn out in the beginning. For example.
Hey, what are you doing? Oh, I'm investing in the gold mining industry. It seems to be really growing these days.
Really? Me too. How many shares are you buying?
I think I'm starting out with 10, since mining has become an extremely volatile industry these days.
Loser. Go big or go home.
Step 2. Don't invest into something you don't understand. Always make sure you have complete understanding of the industry into which you're investing your money before you make any unwise decisions.
Ooh, this mining industry looks hecka good. I'm gonna invest in this industry right now. All the other investors are gonna be so jealous of how successful I am.
Hello?
Hi, I'd like to buy some shares in the gold mining agriculture firm.
Sure thing. Just want to see
Right.
some money.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
Alrighty.
You know, at first glance, this industry seems like it might be profitable, but I better do some more research before I throw all my money into this.
Hi, how can I help you?
Alright, can I get some statistics on the gold mining agriculture firm?
Certainly. Got 'em right here.
Sure, thank you. Phew, good thing I decided to research this. It would have been really bad if I had invested in this thinking that it was a part of the mining industry.
Dang it! Now I'm stuck with all this farming stock that isn't making me any money. If I had researched this, I would have known that they meant corn when they said gold mining.
Fool. Step 3. History repeats itself. Always be mindful of the past, and remember the mistakes of your predecessors, and learn from them.
Hey, did you hear? J. Cook and Company went bankrupt. They say it's going to be worse than the Panic of 1857.
Panic of 1857, what was that?
You don't know? It all started with the failure of the Ohio Life Insurance Company. Once they went bankrupt, American markets plummeted across the nation.
It'll be fine. It's not like they make the same mistake again. Plus, now that we got tariffs in place to protect industry, nothing's gonna happen.
True. Step 4. Don't fight the trend and cut your losses early. If you see the industry entering a decline, make sure you pull out real quick.
Have you heard about the recent drop in the steel industry? I'm thinking about taking on my investment. Too risky to be investing in a declining industry. I would be getting no return on investment.
No way. I think this industry will come back for a profit. I'm gonna stick this one out.
You should consider cutting your losses. If you back out now, you could lose a little. But if the trend continues, you could lose a lot. Seems like too big of a chance.
Since when have trends been right? I have faith that the steel industry will revive and come back and make me a huge profit.
Step 5. You ain't gonna get rich overnight. Make sure you take your time and be patient. Don't worry if you don't see a huge profit right away. You'll always be successful over time.
Look, the Dow Jones went up 20 last week. You should probably pull out soon.
I think I'll wait. I wouldn't be surprised if the market grows again next year.
Suit yourself.
Follow these 5 easy steps, and you're sure to end up a little something like...
Now that I've done my research and know that the railroad industry is growing, I can safely invest my money into this. The railroad industry is integral to the national economy because it aids in the transportation of goods, services, and people across the nation.
I'm so hungry. Please either give me gold or paper money so I can go to the bank and exchange it for gold standard. The government's only accepting gold standard now, so I'll have to go to the bank and exchange it. But thank you, sir.
By 1840, there were 2,800 miles of railway built in the United States, and by 1850, there were 9,000 miles built. If the trends continue, there will be railway all across the United States. The time to invest is now. The Western United States still has yet to build much of their railroads. Everyone else is doing it, so don't miss your chance to be rich and invest in the Western railroad industry today.
Investing in California will be sure to give you a significant return on investment. As you can see, railroad companies nationwide are luring residents in the East to California. An influx of Western immigrants will lead to more consumer spending, which will undoubtedly improve industries in the West and give you the profit you're looking for. The Chicago, Rock Island, and Pacific Railroad offers travelers the lowest rate tickets to California and is sure to invite thousands of Americans from around the East. Capitalize on this lucrative economic opportunity and invest in the West.
California also has an extensive network of clipper ships, making its naval industry a lucrative business. Investing in that will not only help you reach foreign markets with other goods and services, but will also allow you to invest in an industry that definitely won't fail. The naval industry is growing exponentially, with the shipbuilding industry quintupling between 1850 and 1860. California is in the prime location for such a budding industry, as it serves as the perfect hub for land-to-sea trade routes. You will be set for success if you make the wise choice and make an investment into California's naval and shipbuilding industry.
As you can see in the graph, since the 1840s, the value of gold standard has increased exponentially, so now's the time to invest. Head out to California where there's plenty of gold and make a fortune. If you do decide to invest, use gold or silver specie, because it can't be depreciated and your investment will be quite safe.
Now that you've learned all the tricks, it's time for you to come on in and invest in the West.